If you are using Python for data science or AI and you don't know NumPy, then you are missing the most important library. In this video, you will learn what NumPy is and why it is used and how to start using it. Hi everyone, this is CodeNFacts where coding is simple, practical and beginner friendly. So what exactly is NumPy? NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It is a Python library that used for fast numerical calculations, working with arrays and matrices, data science, AI and machine learning. Almost every Python data library like Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow depends on NumPy. Why we choose NumPy? You may ask why not we use normal Python list? Because the problem is slow for large data and limited mathematical operation. While NumPy gives us faster performance, less memory usage, and built-in mathematical functions. That's why NumPy is the backbone of data science. Let's talk about how to install and import NumPy. If you install Anaconda, then good news, NumPy is already installed by default. No extra installation required. For knowing more about NumPy, you can visit the official website numpy.org. The documentation is available here. You can install from here and see the documents here, numerical computing tools, performant and easy to use and interpretable, powerful n-dimensional array. Here are some features of NumPy. You can visit or see the complete website. Here click on the documentation. You can see the documentation of NumPy and directly you can download from here. Here you can click on the user guide. This is the user guide. That means as a developer or as an engineer, you have to know all the type of documentation as you can understand from the documentation simply. So here converting Python sequence to NumPy arrays, how this is the code how you can convert the Python sequence into a NumPy arrays. Similarly, here are so many kinds of examples are available here. Open Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab and type import NumPy as NP. If you are using Anaconda, then NumPy is already installed. And if you are using any other code editor, simple you can type pip install NumPy. You can install the NumPy from this command. Let's create a NumPy array. Here a Python list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I am creating a Python list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For converting this Python list into NumPy array, simply you can write a variable name is equal to np.array, then the Python list. This will convert the Python list into the NumPy array. So when I print the array, then the output will come this type. And when I just type the type of array and then run that, so here you can see the type of array is numpy.nd array, that is n-dimensional array. Let's talk about some basic NumPy operations. Here array equal to np.array and inside the array I just type 10, 20 and 30. And when I print the array sum of 5 and print the array multiply with 2 and run that, so it will be executed as the array sum of 5 means 10 plus 5 15, 20 plus 5 25 and 30 plus 5 35. Similarly the array multiply with 2. So these operations run element wise, which is very fast. Let's do some NumPy array shape and dimension problem. Here I am creating two NumPy array as 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 is the another array. And here just type print array dot shape and print variable name dot ndim mean n dimensional. So these shapes tells rows and columns and dimension tells either 1D or 2D or 3D. I think you have one question is where NumPy is used. So basically, NumPy is used in data science, machine learning, image processing, and scientific computing. So if you understand NumPy basics, like this video, subscribe to CodeNFacts for Python, data science, and AI tutorials. In the next video, we will start NumPy indexing, slicing, and functions. So this is all about for today. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.